When designing and building a codeform, you might find that you have a lot of buttons, and this can take up a lot of screen real estate. This can be particularly relevant when you might be expecting the codeform to also be used on an iPad or iPhone device. What we recommend, to save some space, is to hide buttons underneath other buttons and use links to activate them and lag time to deactivate them. Here's a quick example to demonstrate the process. From the View drop-down in the main menu, I have selected Show iPhone Landscape Bounds to demonstrate how this feature may be relevant. I have set up 2 event buttons and a tag button so that for this demonstration I can have 2 things going on at the same time. And I've changed the colour of Event 2 to green so we can tell it apart in the coding history. Then I add a link from the tag to Event 1, and we've set up Event 1 with a lead and lag time, so when I hide it underneath the tag button, it will deactivate itself. Then we're going to make the Event 1 button smaller than the tag and arrange it so that it is in the backmost layer by selecting Send to Back, and then tuck it up underneath. Now when I enter code mode and I start coding and I fire off the tag, it activates Event 1 underneath as shown in the coding history and creates an instance.